Welcome to our channel. Optimizing mobile app performance is crucial for user satisfaction, as slow apps lead to poor reviews and user abandonment, regardless of how great your features are. Step 1. Identify performance bottlenecks using profiling tools built into Android Studio or Xcode, measuring where your app spends the most time during critical operations. Step 2. Optimize image assets by compressing images, using appropriate formats like WebP for Android, and ensuring images are sized correctly for the screen rather than scaling large images down. Step 3. Implement lazy loading for content that isn't immediately visible, loading data only when users scroll to it rather than loading everything at app startup. Step 4. Reduce network requests by combining multiple API calls when possible and implementing proper caching strategies to avoid unnecessary network traffic. Step 5. Minimize main thread work by moving heavy operations like image processing, network requests, and database queries to background threads. Step 6. Use efficient data structures and algorithms, choosing the right collection types for your data, and avoiding nested loops that scale poorly with data size. Step 7. Implement pagination for large lists, loading items in chunks rather than attempting to load hundreds or thousands of items simultaneously. Step 8. Optimize animations by using hardware acceleration and keeping animations simple, as complex animations can cause frame drops on lower-end devices. Step 9. Reduce app size by removing unused code, resources, and dependencies, enabling code shrinking with ProGuard for Android or app thinning. For Step 10, test performance on lower-end devices regularly, as your development phone likely has better hardware than many users. Your optimized mobile app now delivers a smooth experience for all users. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.